Water cycle. On a rainy day, Marilyn was enjoying the showers of rain by sitting near her window. She wondered how clouds form and how does it rain. She asked her mother, "How does rain come down on earth?" Her mother replied that rain is caused due to the water cycle. She exclaimed, "Water cycle?" and expressed her interest to know about it. Let us explore the water cycle. In nature, water exists in 3 states: solid, liquid, and gaseous. We find the liquid state of water in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Due to the sun's heat, the water in lakes and rivers changes into gaseous state. This process of changing water to water vapor or gaseous form is called evaporation. This is the first step of the water cycle. When the water vapor passes through cold air, it changes into tiny droplets of water. This process of changing water vapor back to water is called condensation. This is the second step of water cycle. When the clouds are filled with water, they start raining and water falls back to the ground. This is called precipitation. The water falling on the ground fills up the rivers, oceans, and lakes. Rainwater is used by plants and animals. This repeated change of water to water vapor and then back to water is called the water cycle. The water cycle is a continuous process. We can observe the interchanging states of water at our home too. Here is a simple activity to explain the process of evaporation and condensation. Take a bowl of water and place it on the gas stove. Heat water for some time. After a few minutes, we can observe the level of water coming down in the bowl. Due to heating, water is changed into gaseous form or water vapor. This is called evaporation. Switch off the gas stove and cover the bowl with a lid. After some time, we can see the tiny droplets of water on the bottom of the plate. On cooling, the vapors condense to form water droplets. This process is called condensation. Marilyn thanked her mom for making her understand about the water cycle. Let us recall. Water exists in 3 states: solid, liquid, and gaseous. The change of water to water vapor due to sun's heat is called evaporation. The change of water vapor back to water is called condensation. The repeated change of water to water vapor and then back to water is called the water cycle.